Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are delighted to present this 2020 plate Range Rover Autobiography, finished in Aruba Gold. Having covered just under 12,000 miles, this remarkable example combines timeless luxury with commanding road presence. It also comes with a full service history and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, giving you complete peace of mind. At the rear, you'll find a large and versatile boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs and big adventures. Step inside and you're welcomed by stunning Range Rover craftsmanship with luxurious ivory leather seats and premium features throughout. Both the front and rear have electric recline seats for ultimate comfort and plenty of legroom on both rows. The dashboard is clean and modern, with two intuitive touchscreens for car controls. Above you, the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light and creates a bright and airy atmosphere. The heated steering wheel gives you easy access to key controls like cruise control, volume, lane assist and voice control. One standout feature is the front armrest refrigerator box, perfect for keeping drinks and snacks cool on any journey. Comfort is guaranteed year-round, with heated and cooled seats in both the front and rear, with front seats also having a luxury massage function. A 360-degree rear camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy. The sunroof can also be opened, allowing fresh air and light into the cabin on those nicer, sunny days. This impressive, mild hybrid 345 brake horsepower Range Rover could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.